is Rhonda of virtueworksforyou.com, and this video is called Pinterest Marketing, How to Get 5,000 Video Pin Views. And if you're not familiar with video pins are pins on Pinterest that are in the form of videos. And video pins like story pins are a more interactive way to tell and share your brand story on Pinterest. Video pins like story pins are popular on Pinterest right now. And if you would like to 2 times your page views, shares, clicks, add video pins to your Pinterest content strategy. And unlike story pins, video pins can tell your brand story in a more in-depth detail. Now, the max length allowed for a video pin is 4 seconds to 15 minutes, whereas the max length for a story pin is 1 to 60 seconds. That is if your story pin is in video format. Now, you don't have to create your story pins in video format. You can also create them in the format and I said that in the video about video pins, story pins, where you can do a step-by-step guide, a do-it-yourself project or recipe, and that takes a little bit more pages when you are doing a story pin on some type of guide or do-it-yourself project, okay? So I just want to note that bit. So how to get 5,000 views on your video pin. So number one, you want to make sure that what you are sharing within your video pin is of value. So you either want to share a step-by-step guide, a do-it-yourself project, or a recipe. Okay. Number two, you must be creative. You need to think of ways in which you can make your video pin to stand out from the crowd. Remember that Pinterest is a visual platform. The first thing people see are visuals. So you have to make sure that your visuals, your videos, whatever type of visual you're doing, but in this video we're talking about videos are top notch. And which brings me number 3, that being creative will bring you to creating unique designs, and you create these designs based on your fonts, your logos, your color palettes, the brand elements that I just named, if you have any. So I'm going to place a link to a video on how to create Pinterest pins that are smart feed worthy. And, I go in more detail in what to do and how to create pins, the best practices in creating pins that people want to click on, that people want to see, and that people want to share. Okay. And so that is it for Pinterest marketing, how to get 5,000 video pin views. And in the next video is going to be an extension of this video where I go into showing you, it's going to be a tutorial on how to create a Pinterest video pin that can get 5,000 views. Okay, thanks for watching. Thumbs this up, share this out, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell symbol for alerts. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.